Hi everyone, we're doing a haul of what I got at Wonderworks. I'm so excited, so let's jump right in. First thing I got were these really cute needohs. There's a banana, strawberry, and orange. Let's open it up. Come on, banana. Okay, just gonna put that stuff off to the side. There's a really cute strawberry, which is nice. A banana, which I like because it's really stretchy. And it kind of holds its shape, so like it could be like this. And I really like it, so yeah. And then there's a really cute orange or pumpkin. Tell me what you think in the comments. What it should be, orange or a pumpkin. I mean, it says an orange, but I think it should be a pumpkin. So tell me in the comments what you want it to be. Moving on, my fidget cube. I'm really excited because there was a mystery color and I don't know what it is. Oh, by the way, there's 6 sides to do. Opening it up. I love the package. I love the packaging. Oh my god, I love the colors. Ta-da! Oh my god, I'm so happy. I also like this. So, yeah. This, I love it. Oh my god, it's so nice. Yeah, it's really nice. When my brother's done playing, he'll give it back.
This is really nice.
Yeah.
Why is this so cool?
That's for flipping it, like, woo.
Oh.
I guess it's kind of like a fidget spinner. Huh? I don't know. Moving on, my mini puppet. I'm so excited about this. It looks super cute. And I think it will be super cute because it says super cute. Hopefully, cut you some stuff. That's weird. Hello. That was really weird. Let's open it. My friend has this one. That is so, stop it. That is such a good puppet. It's really nice. The only thing I don't like is like my fingernails. They're long, but like you can see my fingernail mark. I don't really like that. It's also kind of soft, but it's still nice. I love it. And it smells good. That's a plus. That's a plus. Now, the moment I've been most waiting for. The Jumbo Crab Poppet. I'm so excited. Okay. I'm freaking out right now. Also, another weird thing. It's a bracelet. Twins. Oh my god, I can't open it. He's so cute. Guys, he has a smiley face. Look how cute it is right there. Let's try it. This is the bad side. And then the good side. This is the best puppet and the cutest one ever. Look. I'm in love. That was the bad side. Now let's into the good side again. Okay. So thank thank you guys so much for watching. This is what I got at Wonder Woman. I recommend going there. Thank you so much for watching again. And I will see you in my next video. Good. Wait. Sorry, I want to do something. So we put that there, and is that a Chloe? Bye, peoples.